Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another makeup tutorial, and this makeup is more like for fall, and I feel like it came out pretty cute. So if you guys want to see how I created this makeup look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start by applying some primer. I am going to be using this one. This one is by Makeup Forever, and I like this one because there's a lint. I like this primer just because it's oil free, and I'm an oily girl, so basically, well, not so oily. I usually just get so oily on my forehead and on my nose and a little bit on my cheeks. So yeah, well, that is oily, huh? I hate it because even when I like apply like a matte foundation, I always tend to get oily throughout the day, which sucks. I don't like it because my forehead is always shining. But yeah, I try my best to like touch it up with some powder, but sometimes I forget. And so for foundation, I'm going to be using this one. This one is by Estee Lauder. I can't pronounce that correctly, but yeah. This one is in the shade A47, which I feel like it's a little too light for my skin, but yeah, we'll see. So I'm just going to be applying that on my face. So how you guys been? I know school started, and honestly, it's crazy that everything is online. So far I'm getting used to it. So I don't really have a schedule when to do homework because, you know, I have a daughter, so she's always with me and she's always all over me. So yeah, so yeah, sometimes it could be hard. So yeah, I have to really manage my time when to do my homework and when I have the time to read. Guys, is it just me or this foundation is too light for my skin? Okay, well, I could just bronze my face with a darker bronzer. Hopefully that works. So I am going to be using this concealer right here. This one is the HB Wine concealer. So this is such a good concealer, I feel like, and this is from the drugstore. This one is by Maybelline. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that. So I'm gonna be using this setting powder right here. It's the Ben Nye Luxury powder. Go ahead and set my entire face with some powder. So then I'm going to be applying some bronzer. This one is by Tarte. So I'm going to be applying this shade right here. So for blush, I'm going to be using this palette right here. This one is by e.l.f. Sorry, it's all dirty but it looks like this. I'm going to be applying this one right here, which is one of my favorite blushes. It's like a really nice light peach color. What do you guys think if I should do like a vanity tour, like my makeup collection? Will you guys be interested in that? Just because I have gotten like some comments saying that they want to see like my makeup collection, and I don't know if you guys will actually like to see that. It seems like a cool video to do. So yeah, let me know down below if you guys would like to see my makeup collection slash vanity tour. That I could do that for you guys. So I'm not sure how I want to do my eyeshadow yet. I was thinking of doing something like brown and like burgundy, kind of like fall vibes, if that makes sense. But we'll see what I come up with. So let's get started, guys. So I will be using two palettes today. This one is by Juvia's Place and this one is by Jaclyn Hill. I love this palette, by the way. It's like one of my favorites. So yeah. So I am going to start with the Jaclyn Hill palette first. So let me zoom in real quick. So I'm going to start by applying this shade right here first. And I'm just going to be applying that right on the crease of my eyes. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with the other palette right here, and it looks like this. It's pretty messy. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this color right here. It's a really nice brown, kind of like orangey color, and I'm just going to be applying it right in the outer corners of my eyes. Then I'm going to take my other palette and I'm going to be applying this really nice dark purple right here. I'm going to be applying it right in the outer corners of my eyes as well. I'm kind of scared to use this color, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply this black right here. And carefully, I'm going to be applying it right in the outer corners of my eyes as well. Just a little bit, not so much. So I already did this eye right here, but I did use this really nice like golden shimmer right here. So I'm just going to be applying it on my other eye. So I'm just applying the burgundy color that I applied on my eyelids, right on my waterline. And I'm also going to be applying a little bit of the black. So now I'm going to be applying my eyelashes. I did already apply one. So now I'm going to apply the other one. Okay, so now I'm going to be applying my lipstick. This one is by Morphe and this one is called Nibble, I believe, Nibble, which looks like this. This is kind of like a burgundy color, so it's gonna go perfect with this makeup look. Okay, this is like a dark burgundy, like brownish. So I was thinking of applying some highlight, but I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. So I'm gonna do my hair real quick because it's a mess, and I'll be right back. So I didn't really do much to my hair. I just put it in a ponytail, and that's because I've been trying to not use heat on my hair. My hair is very damaged. So yeah, usually I never really do my hair like with a strainer or with a curling iron or anything like that, because yeah, my hair is damaged like I said. But anyways, this is the final look, guys. Oh, what the heck? I have powder all over my hand. That's weird. But anyways, we came to an end. This is the final look, and honestly I really like it. I really like this lipstick color. It's so cute. But yeah, this is a really nice like glam fall makeup look. Let me know what you guys think about this makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know down below what you guys want to see next, and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see like a makeup collection, and I'll do that for you guys. Yeah, I think that's about it. I really hope you guys have an amazing day. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.